Hey guys, welcome. Return to Shiba. Inu crypto, SHYTOSHI, left closing caution and disappeared. Deliver information nowadays. An unfamous Ethereum cope with has transferred nearly 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, really worth over $250 million, from top crypto exchange to a self-custody pockets in line with on-chain information pronounced by means of crypto analytics. Firm sentiment, the delivered tokens were eliminated from an Ethereum address labeled by using other test as belonging to America, crypto.com, to a new wallet in this video. We can talk approximately. SHYTOSHI left ultimate caution and disappeared. SHIB news these days. Remember to spoil the thumbs up proportion and subscribe to the channel to look our cutting-edge content on Shiba Inu rate predictions and expert evaluation. Without further ado, allows begin the video. The switch changed into made in 6 one-of-a-kind transactions, and the whale has been collecting ETH unexpectedly since March the 1st, owning 992 ETH alongside its now 25 trillion SHIB consistent with the daily HLE. The large switch to the bloodless garage makes it the 1-3 biggest SHIB wallet inside the world, and the most important that has now not been identified as belonging to an alternate fax amassed by way of whale alert display. That the biggest transaction it recorded involved the switch of 4.1 trillion deliver tokens to an unidentified wallet for around 45 million. It's far unclear whether the transactions are being performed via crypto.com, which is transferring its SHIB to a brand new pockets, or whether or not they're being made by means of any other whale moving its tokens in 24 hours from Monday and Tuesday. The Shiba Inu burn tracking webpage. SHIB burn. Witnessed an explosion in SHIBs. Burn fee with the dog stimulated token, incinerating a whopping 453 million coins, marking an exceptional 1,317 surge. The act of burning Shibu tokens refers to sending them to an address without any retrievable personal key, making them unusable, and completely disposing of them from move that is frequently finished to assist manage inflation and increase the price of the remaining tokens with the aid of lowering the full supply and stream. Inside the case of Shiba Inu, the sector's second biggest meme coin, burning tokens is a network-pushed initiative to growth the cryptocurrency's price. It's also believed to be a nod to the way of life of burning paper cash to offer to ancestors in a few Asian cultures. In the meantime, the Shiba Inu community is likewise excited about the beta release of Shroom. The surroundings is Layer 2 protocol constructed on Pinnacle of Ethereum. The Shibu community is at the upward push as they keep to discover new avenues for growth. Final week delivers beta model, changed into released, allowing beta testers to glimpse the take a look at internet. The noticeably anticipated Shibari, a layer protocol constructed on top of Ethereum, is still in beta, in line with the pseudonymous SHIB developer Shoshi Kusama. It can continue to be so for 2 or 4 months as the team specializes in constructing extra effective structures and tracking for bugs. These developments have sparked a new wave of enthusiasm and interest among the Shiba Inu network. The launch of Shroom and the latest switch of SHIB tokens mirror the community's sustained hobby and developing significance within the cryptocurrency world. It will be thrilling to look how these tendencies impact the future of Shiba Inu and its adoption charge. Whale stats a 9F3F374C5888E8C9DCDDD1EBF1ZO256FA5. Blockchain fax tracking platform reveals that outstanding ET traders have gathered a humongous 1,022,B47,M313,193, deliver really worth 10,89837 through separate transactions inside the beyond 24 hours. As in line with whale stats, the primary transaction became accomplished by means of Kate the 282nd largest E-whale who delivered extremely good 899, B999, M734, 985 SHIB, really worth 9, 619, 197 in a single transaction quickly after the 254th largest ETH whale referred to as Blue Whale, 0073 carried out a transaction acquiring 122 B47, M578, 28 delivered really worth 1,286, 381 The big whale accumulation comes after Crypto.com. Ordinary custody. The operation moving 24939, B482M510233, deliver really worth 269,595,185 to a brand new address to preserve the safety and protection of trade wallets. Such most important accumulation from whales in an ongoing marketplace wherein Bitcoin is buying and selling above $28,000 shows that a substantial charge boom for SHIB is around the nook because the marketplace. Its brief time period bullish with BTC. The altcoins may additionally begin pumping, whilst BTC stops pumping and consolidates at a particular price range. The demand for Shiba Inu continues to grow with the release of Shurian public beta, ensuing in a tremendous increase inside the burn fee. As pronounced by means of the crypt fundamental, the Shinu community has collectively destroyed 2 B72 M114 690 SHIB through 290 separate transactions within the beyond week on my own. Amidst the continuing developments, SHIB Inu's lead developer, Shoshi Kusama, lately hinted at a groundbreaking development at the same time as commenting on the assembly among Marcy Gastro, the Shibu Metaverse advisor, and Ted Shilowitz, the futurist, at Paramount Photographs all through the 2023 South, with the aid of Southwest competition held in Texas in the meantime, to fight a growing FUD campaign in opposition to the venture. Kusama has classified all network participants as a part of the Shibu protection breed. SHIM's indicators appearance, as although a rally will be approaching in that both its relative strength index and 30-day shifting average is in depressed positions, which might be due to a high-quality correction. For example, its RSI dropped as little as 30 in advance within the month, meaning that the coin has been oversold. And with the indicator now rising regularly closer to 50, it may no longer be long before a recovery starts off. Evolved. Similarly, SHIB's 30-day has fallen for several days, drawing ever toward an inevitable rebound rally. It's completely arguable that it'll rally substantially earlier than long, due to the fact SHIB hasn't seen the big gains enjoyed via BTC ETH and different foremost coins inside the Beyond Week, and there are various essential motives to trust such an assumption, with the beta launch of Shiba Inu's Lear network Sharam being the maximum apparent. It went live on March 11th, with the full public release of the community, likely due in the next few months. Once fully launched, Sharam will enable human beings to apply Shiba Inu and the diverse apps of its ecosystem gadget a good deal more affordably with transaction instances, dashing up and scaling up as such. It is anticipated to increase the adoption and usage of the Shiba Inu surroundings, whilst additionally boosting demand for SHIB. Admittedly, its beta release did not come without problems, with a few observers claiming that it had stolen its chain ID from Renaya, an upcoming blockchain. Presently, within the test internet section, Shroom builders fast answered to the allegations. OKDia tweeted that they had picked chain IDs randomly for Shabar beta network, and that no duplication was intentional. Diarra additionally defined that his team could be redeploying a brand new Shroom beta community with a one-of-a-kind chain ID assisting to position to mattress. Any notion that Layer 2's crew is simply copying different networks, in spite of this rebuttal, delivers price hasn't recovered much from its slip following the emergence of the above accusations and continues to be underperforming many other essential tokens. Nonetheless, Deliver has moved up the rankings in phrases of marketplace cap this month, having moved from 15th earlier in March to 14th, approximately a week in the past. This highlights the regular boom it enjoys, which may also retain as soon as SHIB the Metaverse has released, at the same time as no unique launch date is penciled in for this Shibu-themed digital international. There's a popular expectation that it can arrive earlier than the quit of the YR. Its group has recently shared a few updates, which includes sharing early photos of one of the Metaverse wonderful areas. Consistent with builders SHIB, the Metaverses International will incorporate 1I 1595 accessible lands with a purpose to be unlocked over time. This consists of 36,043 lands, in order to be discovered all through its launch section, with the intention to encompass 32,124, a good way to be available for buy. These can be categorized into different districts with taste and graphical style. The metaverse positions itself as the destiny of entertainment, enterprise, and gaming all rolled into one. Given the approach of this platform, it stays credible to mention that SHIB will witness some considerable fee profits, because the YR progresses whilst its handiest round zero. Date proper. Now it is able to effortlessly publish returns to zero, show in 15, and 0 towers 0 and 2, within the next few months. In fact, many supporters are holding out for even larger gains, with some eyeing 0 or even higher. This is relatively formidable. However, if Shibu Land launches, all proceeded according to plan, there is little doubt that SHIB will see a few enviable returns. Eventually, it is a wrap for nowadays. Recollect to damage the thumbs up percentage and join the channel to look our latest content.